Guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Claude AI if you're stuck on the verification code step or not receiving the SMS needed to sign in. One of the biggest mistakes people make is repeatedly pressing the resend code button. Doing this too many times can trigger temporary security restrictions and delay the verification process even further. If you have already requested multiple codes, stop making new requests and wait for about 10 to 20 minutes before trying again. This gives the system time to reset any temporary limits. When you're ready to try again, request the code once and give it a few minutes to arrive before taking any further action. Next, to verify that your phone number has been entered correctly, make sure you have selected the right country code and check for any formatting mistakes. In some of the countries, the leading zero from a local phone number should be removed when using an international country code, while in others, the format may be different. If you're unsure, compare the number you're entering with the format recommended by a mobile carrier. Another troubleshooting step is to switch browsers. Sometimes browser settings, cache data, or extensions can interfere with the verification process. So you could open Claude in a different browser, sign in again, and attempt the verification step there. If your process continues, consider using another phone number that you have access to. This can help determine whether the issue is related to your current mobile provider. Remember that if you're reusing the phone number means that if you have created an account using that phone number before, you wouldn't be able to create an account with the same phone number again. But if you're using the phone number for the first time, then you should also restart your phone. A simple reboot can refresh your connection to your carrier's network and resolve temporary SMS delivery problems. So turn your device off completely, wait a few seconds, power it back on, and then request a new verification code. If you're still unable to receive the code, the final step is to contact Anthropic support. So when submitting your request, include details such as when you attempted verification, your device type, your region, and any error message displayed on your screen. Providing accurate information can help the support team identify the issue more quickly and guide you towards a solution.